Russ Ropken with RSI Company. RSI Company's been around 22 years now, and it's mostly me, myself and my wife. We have been doing Iconics integration since the beginning, so that's mostly what we focus on is Iconics integration and PLC programming, and then some custom Windows development. The majority of our customers are automation, industrial automation customers, water departments, places like that, and we focus on helping them. So we work with their automation engineers to help them make their system better. And that's what we do every day. I've been working with Iconics since 1997, actually, even going back into my previous job. I think the first version I worked with was Genesis 32 version 6, right in there. So quite a while now. The initial experience was great. The new install package is a huge improvement over version 10. The new installer was very smooth, very quick, and got us up and running in a very short amount of time. Very intuitive. From there on out, I did an upgrade of an existing system just to test it out, and everything went really smooth. I was very impressed with the initial experience with version 11. I'm excited for some of my smaller customers. They now have the advantage to use some of the more advanced features that they couldn't get before based on their licensing package. So as an example, Hyperhistorian calculated tags. That was always only available on the higher licensing versions. So with version 11, some of my customers that could really use those features have an opportunity now to use some of those advanced features that they couldn't before. That's probably what I'm most looking forward to. Being able to use the entire suite now, especially for my smaller customers that buy the basic package, they didn't have access to reporting features or all of the advanced historian features. With version 11, having all of those features available at the base package is a huge advantage for these smaller customers. Security is huge for my customers. Water departments have really brought the security of their SCADA systems to the forefront in the past few years. And all of the new security features coming in version 11 are going to make that so much easier for our customers. It's become more and more important over the past few years to have an audit trail to keep track of what might have changed in a system. Anytime we are looking into what may have happened, those audit trails and history trails that come along with Genesis are huge for tracking that down. As Iconics users, we've been waiting for this day for a long time. Dealing with things like the number of clients, the number of tags has always been a headache for us. And knowing that that headache is going to go away is absolutely wonderful for all of our customers. I do think our customers are going to like version 11. Having all of these new features and new licensing schemes, the addition of an historian and upgraded alarm server in version 11 are only going to make that experience better. Genesis version 11 brings Iconics into the mainstream SCADA industry market. With unlimited licensing, they now are very competitive with many of the other providers in this industry. Tell others to take a close look, take it for a test drive. Iconics licensing system allows you to do that, so take it for a test drive. Install your system and give it a try. I think they'll be impressed.